Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate one of the new features that got introduced in Selenium 4, that is creating a new window or new tab using Selenium. So let's get started. Till Selenium 3, we can only switch to an existing window, but we cannot create a new window and switch. But from Selenium 4, a latest feature got introduced in Selenium 4, that is you can create a new window or a tab and switch to it. Okay, this is possible from Selenium 4. Now let me practically demonstrate how in Selenium 4 you can create a new window and switch, or create a new tab and switch. Okay, so here we have some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser, and for opening this application URL in the browser. Now I want to switch to a newly created tab. Okay, I want to switch to a newly created tab. If I write like this, driver dot switch to command dot, earlier we used to switch to an existing window using this window command, right? Normal window command. But now we got another command from Selenium 4, okay? That is new window command, okay? So if you can see here in the pom.xml file, I am using the Selenium 4 version, okay? I am using Selenium 4, Selenium Java 4.0 version. That's why this command is coming, guys, okay? This new window command is coming, using which we can create a new window and switch. Before Selenium 4, we can switch to an existing window, but we cannot create a new window and switch. This time I am switching to a new window, okay? Here, inside this new window command, I have to type window type dot. You can switch to a newly created tab or window. There are two possibilities here, okay? Either you can switch to, either you can create a new tab or new window and switch. Let me first show you tab, okay? After that I will show you window. So I am creating a new tab here, okay? I'm opening a new tab here, and I'm switching also at the same time. So once you switch to the newly created tab, if I say driver.get, what will happen in the new tab? This application URL will be opened. Whatever the application URL I provide here, that will be opened in the new tab. Okay. In the original default window, this application URL is opened. Now, after I switch to a newly created tab, okay, whatever the URL I provide here, that will open in the new tab. Okay, let's try that. I'll give this sample application, say omai.blogspot.com. I'll try to open in the new tab. Okay. Apart from this, guys, you can also switch to a newly created window. You can create a newly, okay, you can newly create a window and switch to it. Okay, so for that, I'll write here switch to a newly created window. I'll say here, I'll say driver dot switch to dot new window of window type dot, I'll say window this time. Okay, earlier I said window type dot tab. I created a new tab and switch to it. Now I'm creating a new window and switching to it. After I open a I open a new window and switch to it. If I say driver.get, okay, and give the application URL, this application URL will open in this new window. That means at a time 3 applications you are working with. Okay, here the default original window, this tutorials in the application is opened already. Okay, in the new tab that got newly created and switched to omaya.blogspot.com will be opened. And now here in the newly opened window and switching to that window, here we are opening a different website. Let's say I'll go with this selenium143.blogspot.com. Okay, I'll copy this. Here I'll provide. Okay, like this. So if I run this code, guys, you will see 3 windows opened one by one. For example, default window is this one. Then a new tab will be opened, which will open this application URL. A new window will be opened. It will have this URL. That means simultaneously you are working with 3 applications. Okay, these 3 applications are there in different windows. Okay, now run this code. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see that in action. This new window command got introduced in Selenium 4. Before Selenium 4, this is not possible. Okay, only we were able to switch to an existing window, but from Selenium 4, you see new tab is getting opened and new application is open, new window is open, and we have switched to the new window and we are opening the application URL here. Okay, so that means at a time, you see in the default window tutorials in the new tab omaya.blogspot.com, in the new window selenium143.blogspot.com. This is possible from Selenium 4, guys. Okay, so hope guys you understood this new feature that got introduced in Selenium 4, that is creating a new window or tab and switching to it, okay, which was not possible in the previous versions of Selenium. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.